Praise God. Good morning, Papa. More grace to you, sir. I'm Gladys David from India. I'm testifying of God's wonders which are to number. Yesterday, after prayer, my monthly flu that I lost for past 3 months right now started. I told God when I tested for past 3 months and I wasn't pregnant, I said, God, I didn't know how it stopped, and I will not know how it will start. Indeed, what God cannot do does not exist. So after prayer yesterday, I always place my left hand on the stomach and my right hand on the screen whenever you're praying for past 3 months. After that 3 months, yesterday, 2nd of September, at night, I went to washroom and I discovered that my monthly flu has started. Indeed, my time has come. More grace to you, sir.